Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss mock exam for term 3 for grade 5. See here the question number 1. It is show your work problem. The part 1 of the exam is show your work problem. You see, show your work problem. Here you have to show the steps also. Part 2 will be the multiple choice. Okay, let's go. So what the question says? Carrie is making trial mix that contains 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds per serving. How many servings can she make with this bag? There is 2 cups. You see, to solve this problem, you have to go to KFC. What is our KFC? Keep the first factor same. Keep the first factor same or as it is. Flip the second factor or second number. Third, change the sign. Division to multiplication. Okay. So 2 cups are there. It is divided into how many, say 1/3. Making trial mix 1/3 cup. 2 divided into 1/3, which is equal to 2. Keep the first number same. Flip the second number. Flip 1/3. Change the sign. Division to multiplication. So 2 times 3 is 6 serving. That means she can make 6 trial mix with 2 cups. This is one way. Another way is, you see, suppose cup, I am drawing this model, fraction model. How many? Divided into 3 parts. This is 3 parts. So this is 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1. This is 1/3, this is 1/3. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. This plus, if you do this is also 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 serving. Any way you can do. So let us go for the next problem. Theo cuts the board into 4 equal sections. What is the length of each section? So Theo is cutting. What is the length of the board? 1/4. Into how many? Divided into how many? 4 equal sections. Again KFC rule. What it says? 1/4. Keep the first number as it is. Flip the second number. Change the sign. Division to multiplication. So 1 time 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. 1 by 16 feet. Each section length will be 1 by 16 feet. Each section length will be 1 by 16 feet. You see, this is the plank. If you divide into 4 sections, you see this, if you divide into 4 sections, this one section is 1 by 16. Okay, 1 by 16, this is 1 by 16. So each length, what is the length of each section? So length of each section is how much? 1 by 16th of feet. But please write the units. Units are very, very important. Next. Neil is aiming to drink the amount of water shown per day. By 3 p.m., she want to she 3 by 4 of the way to her goal. That means she finished 3 by 4. How many more fluid ounces does she need to drink to reach her goal? You see, the problem is in cups and he want in ounces. So there is a variation. Please make a note. So one cup equal to 8 ounces. 8 fluid ounces. So 8 cups equal to how much? 8 into 8, that is 64 ounces. So how to solve this problem? Amount of water drank. amount of water Nell or Neil drank is 3/4 of 8 cups. 3/4 of 8 cup means 3 by 4. This is cups. If you want to convert into ounce, 8 times 8. So 4 one time, 4 two time. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 3 is the 48. 48 ounces she drank. She drank 48 fluid ounces. How much is left? How much is total? Total amount of water is? Total amount of water is 64. How much she drank? 48 equal to 16 ounces fluid ounces left. 16 fluid ounces is left. This is one way. Some teachers they go this way also. This is also the right way. They go by area model. So 4 division they do. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. She drank, you see 3 by 4 she drank. So this is 1 by 4 is left. So 1 by 4 of 64. 4 1s are 4 6 are. So 16 fluid ounces. This way also you can do. Because already done, this is gone. She has drank fully. So what is left? What is left is just what is left just it is 1/4. So 1/4 is left. So 1/4 into 64 is 16. 16 fluid ounces is left. There are two ways to do the problem. Number one or number two. Whichever you feel easy or which you like the method, you can. This is method number one. This is method number two. And please, conversion is very important. If you forget the conversion, you see 4 one time, 4 two time, 6 you will get. 6 answer is right, but 6 cups, not the fluid ounces. He is interested in fluid ounces. That is very, very important. Please make a note. See here, this is one of the easiest question. Plot and label the points shown in the picture. You see playground. Playground is 4 6. Playground is 4 6. So you start from the 0, it is 4. X axis 4. Y axis is 6. So this one. 4 6. What is this playground? This is 4 6 playground. Now, second is post office 1 2. X is 1, Y is 2. X is 1, Y is 2. This is post office. Next, fire station. What is fire station? X is 5, Y is 3. X is 5, Y is 3. What is this fire station? Very easy problem. Jail house. Jail house is 2 4. X is 2, Y is 4. X is 2, Y is 4. This is jail house. Jail's house. You see, just it is called, you see, plot and label. First we plotted. Plotted means this the dots we did, the points we have written, and the labeling. What is what? Playground is 4 6. Like that. One more problem. This is also show your work problem. See here, lot of questions is there, but very, very simple. You have to read carefully, please. See here. Quinton and Taylors are running laps on the school track. Each time they complete a lap, they do jumping jacks. We call it JJ, jumping jacks. They both do 0 jumping jacks after the first lap. So 0. They 0 jumping after the first lap. Then each lap Quintin adds 1. How much Quintin adds 1? Adds 1. You see. What is the rule for quintile numerical patterns? It's 1. What is the rule for Tyler's? It's 4. You see, from the question only I have taken. I did not do anything. Write the first 5 terms. So what is the rule? Add 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So on, so on. Now for Tyler's, add 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So on. You see, when Quinton jumps 4 jumping jacks after a lap, how many jumping jacks will Taylor do after the same lap? So Quinton does 4 jumping jacks. 4 means where is 4? 4 is here. What is the position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much? How much? 16. Taylor will do 16. That's it. Done. Very simple. What is the relationship between them? Suppose if I call Quentin as Q, Taylor as T, what is the pattern? 1 means 4, 2 means 8 means into 4. Quentin times whatever the Quentin is doing, if you multiply by 4, you will get the Taylor's workout. So this is the formula we derive. Q times 4 equal to 2 T. How many jumping jacks will Taylor do after the lap when Quentin does 8? Quinton does 8. 8 times 4 equal to 32 jumping jacks Taylor will be doing. Next, what is the formula we drive? Q into 4 is T. So, how many jumping jacks will Quinton do? Because we don't know about Quinton. When Taylor does 40. Taylor does 40. So, dividing by 4 both the sides. So, when Taylor does 4, 4 getting cancelled, 4 ones are 4 tens are. When Quinton does 10, Taylor will do 40. If Taylor do 40, Quinton does 4. That's it. Very simple. Now part 2. Part 2 is very easy. Part 2 is choose your correct answer. Multiple choice. Part 2 is multiple choice questions. See here. 2 over 3. You see 2 divided by 3 is same as 2 over 3. So answer is A. Very simple. You don't have to. You see you got 4 points. So unknown divisors. That's the rule. You see, what is the question? Use the representatives of 6 divided by 3. KFC rule. What is our KFC rule? Keep the first term as it is. Flip the second term, a number. Then division become multiplication. 6 times 3 is 18. You see, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total 18. So answer is A. Very simple. Very simple. See, which equation can be used to check the quotient of the division? You see this, if you 16 KFC rule divided become multiplication, 1 by 4 become 4. Fill in the second number. It is 64. You see here. This 64 into 4 is 16. So simple. Ingrid buy this piece of cheese. She uses equal amount of it to make 3 sandwiches. How many cheese is on each sandwich? How much cheese is there? 1/4 of 1/4 pound. Divided into how many sandwiches? 1/4 pound she is divided into 3 sandwiches. So this is again KFC rule. 1 by 4 as it is, first number as it is, flip the second number, change the sign. 4 times 3 is 12. So 1 by 12. See here. Jem needs this much ribbon for an art project. How many inches of ribbon does he need? You see 2 by 3 feet. And one more thing here. Remember, 1 feet equal to 12 inches. Answers are all in inches. So you have to convert 2 by 3 into 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 by 3. 3, 1, 1. 3, 8 times. So 8 inches. Okay. And next, Andrew height is given in centimeter. What is Andrew height in meter? You see, 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. The rule says if you are going from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. If you are going from centimeters to meters, you have to divide by 100. So here centimeters to answer is in meter. You are going from 100 centimeters to meters. So divide by 100. 142 divide by 100. 20 means after two places you have to put decimal. 42. So 1.42 is the answer. See here. What is the ordered pair described by x? You see not this x. This is x coaxis. This x means x axis. This y means y axis. So this is the number x. This is the number. You are interested here. What is this? How to find? You see, from 0, you have to go to 2. From 2 straight line, it is 6. You see, from here it is 6. So this point will be 2 and 6. This point will be x is 2, y is 6. So answer is this one. Okay, one more. See here, this problem looks very hard but very simple. See the table. From the table, you have to draw the graph. Already graph is given. You have to choose which is the right one. So this is x coordinate, this is x, this is y. So what is x? X is the time. X axis is the time, y axis is the height. 0, 7. X is 0, y is 7. X is 0, y is 7. That means this is right. When x is 0, y is 7. There is no, so it is wrong. Again, when x is 0, y is 7. This is also right. There are two right answers. But you have to choose only one. So I am taking one more point, 5 and 1. When x is 5, y is 1. X is 5, y is 2. So this is wrong. This is already wrong, so we are not saying. Now see, when x is 5, y is 1. This is right. 2 times right means it is the right answer. See here. Classify the triangle by its property. You see one angle, this square means 90 degree. So this is a right angle, this is a right. Both are answers. This is not the right answer. There are two right answers. That means that it cannot be two right, there will be only one. So you have to see. Second thing you have to see. This is the sides. Two sides are equal means isosceles. Therefore answer is C. See here. Classify the figure by its property. You see square and rhombus are same. This is a square. Four sides are equal. In the rhombus also four sides are equal. And this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees in square. So there is square is also is there, rhombus is there. There is no rectangle, no quadrat. Answer is square or rhombus. You see, this angle is not 90 degree. So this is a rhombus. If it is 90 degrees, you have to write the square. One more problem. Which quadrilateral always has four sides of equal length? See here one more time. You see, this is the square, four sides, and this is a rhombus. All four sides are equal. Four sides are equal. So there is no rhombus, only square is there. So answer is the square. See here, you see the sign. Division, here multiplication, here addition. So three signs should be division, addition, minus. So addition, minus. So this cannot be the answer. You see division, addition. This cannot. Your answer should be this and this. This may be this. So A or D. We'll see. 24 divided by 6, 5 multiplied by 7. Then I'd. So this is the quotient and the product. This is the quotient. This is the product. Here product and the quotient. Order is also important. Quotient and the product. So this is the right answer. Next, which operation we perform to evaluate the expression? Please remember bed mass, body mass, bomb das. So this the rule are there. Rule is there. But here there is a confusion. Some teacher they don't like this also. So I don't want to do this. The rule, what is there in our book, we will follow that. So parenthesis first. Then the rule, division and multiplication. First parenthesis, second division and multiplication, third addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Rules is performed from left to right. What is in the parenthesis? Minus sign. So answer is subtraction. See here. Which numerical expression is equal to 8? You see, let me go with this first. 24 divided by parenthesis first. 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 divided by 24 is 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. So answer is this one. Now the last one. See here, stem connection. Saffron is baking bread. She wrote this numerical pattern to record amount of the water and flour needed. Water is this. Flour is this. See here. See the numerical pattern. Water. You see 3 cup of water, 6 cups of flour. So 3 times 2 is 6. So this is the formula we drive. How many cup of water is needed when 48 cup of the flour? 48 cup of the flour is water. You don't know water. So water times 2 equal to 42 divided by 2 both the side. Water equal to 24 cups. 2 1 time, 2 2 time, 4 times. So 24 cups. That is the exam. You see, very easy exam. Just you have to take time. Please read the problem carefully, then solve. Thanks for watching.